sklearnutilssafeindexing. Description: the safe indexing function in scikit-learn. sklearn is a utility function used for safely indexing arrays and lists with potentially non-contiguous indices. It is designed to handle cases where the indexing process might result in unexpected behavior or errors, particularly when dealing with multidimensional arrays and sparse matrices. Inputs: X, the array or list to be indexed. This can be a NumPy array, a pandas data frame, a sparse matrix, or any other object that supports indexing. Indices: the indices to use for indexing. This can be a list, an array, or a slice object. Outputs: indexed array or list, the result of indexing X using the provided indices. Steps: check data type. The function first checks the data type of X. If X is a sparse matrix, it uses the appropriate indexing methods for sparse matrices. Handle non-contiguous indices. If indices is not a contiguous range, the function iterates over indices and extracts the corresponding elements from X, ensuring that the output maintains the original data structure. Handle negative indices. If indices contains negative values, they are interpreted as relative indices from the end of the array. Handle duplicate indices. If indices contains duplicate values, the corresponding elements are repeated in the output. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: indexing with non-contiguous indices might lead to unexpected behavior or errors, especially when dealing with multidimensional arrays or sparse matrices. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: indexing a 2D array with a list of non-contiguous row indices might result in a flattened array instead of a sub-array with the desired rows. Fixes to challenge 1: the safe indexing function handles non-contiguous indices by iterating over them and extracting the corresponding elements from X, ensuring that the output maintains the original data structure. Challenge 2: indexing with negative indices might cause errors if the array is not large enough to accommodate the negative offset. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: indexing a 5-element array with an index of -6 would raise an index error. Fixes to challenge 2: the safe indexing function handles negative indices by interpreting them as relative indices from the end of the array, ensuring that the indexing operation is always performed within the array bounds.